Wagwan Andrew. Remember to like and subscribe.
And hit that notification bell. Alright, our next video, our second lazy video is smart switch. Smart switch. Like I said, I call it lazy video because you don't want to get up every time, walk to the switch, turn it on and off. I want to do it from my smartphone or from that lady called Alexa or Google. That's the train in the background. Alright, so this smart switch that we have here is from a company called GoSound. Right here. Bought it on Amazon. This cheap is about $30 something for a pack of 4. So already, for the interest of time, I already went ahead and opened my switch. So here we have our return leg, or some people call it the switch leg, and then we have our live, and we have our neutral, and we have our ground. In other countries, if you're watching this from Jamaica, this is not the live. This is the live. This is the US live. USA live. This is the USA neutral. In other places, this would have been the live. This would have, the red would have been live, the black would have been neutral, and the white, we wouldn't normally use white. But here in the US, this is the live. The black is the live, the white is the neutral, and we have our red, which is our return, our switch leg. So we have all these colors in my switch box here. I'll get a little closer. So first of all, you went ahead, you turn the power off, and now we're gonna connect our switch. Most switch boxes does not have a neutral. A lot of them just come down with the one leg, with the one cable with the live and the return. But the manufacturer said that you can actually connect the neutral to the ground, and it will work as long as you have a good ground, and it will work. So you wouldn't really have to need a neutral. But I already have my neutral here, so we go ahead and we disconnect our live. I like to handle it like it's still live, just in case. And we're gonna disconnect our switch. Our switch. Come on, what's wrong with you? My switch look a little yellowish because I put a glow in the dark sticker on the front of the switch so that we can find it in the dark. Alright, so smart switch. So I went ahead also and put my glow in the dark sticker on my new smart switch. Since we already have our ground, so let's hook up the ground first. It's a little bit too long, so I'm gonna step it off a little. Alright, so we have our ground hooked up now. Yeah, the ground broke off, so I had to straighten that out. So we have our ground, so now we connect our neutral. Our neutral, and we connect our switch leg. Let's get a little closer. So now we connect our switch leg. So the only thing left for us to do is to connect our live, which is our black. Let's do another one. Alright, so we're using our handy red. So it's nice and tight. And we're going to turn the power on, and then we're going to switch back to our screen to do the setup. Alright, so we download our GoSound app, we launch it, we hit that green plus button at the top right hand corner, and we go for switch Wi-Fi in the upper right. Yeah, I think show my password. So I have our Wi-Fi in. It works best on 2.4 gigahertz, and I have my Wi-Fi name Mr. A2, and I already entered my password. So now we go next. Tells you to make sure that the light on the switch is blinking green and is blinking rapidly. So yes, we hit next, we confirm, and then we hit next. So now it's starting. Alright, so now it's confirmed that this light has been added, and we can name our light. Already name it bedroom light. So we hit done, and earlier I heard Alexa going crazy out there because she have discovered a new device. Alright, so now we have our bedroom light. Alright, so we're going to switch back so you can actually manually turn it on. You see that power button right by bedroom light in the upper right hand. You hit that. A blue, or is that green, blue, or turquoise indication means that the light is on. So I can also do my basement light, front door light, and we turn them off. Alright, so we're gonna switch back to camera now and have a look. Still here hanging out, not connecting it yet. You can manually turn it on by just hitting the bottom. Only the bottom works. It's not top and bottom, just the bottom. One click. A red light means that the switch is on. So let's look at my light. Where's my light? Oh, that's my light. One click, light is on, light is off. So that is my light behind me. I have my Alexa remote, my remote for my my Fire Stick. So I can tell Alexa, I'm going to show you later to how to set up Alexa. I can tell Alexa to turn the bedroom light on. Alexa, turn bedroom light on. There we go. Turn bedroom light off. Alright, so we're doing the Alexa setup. Earlier I was trying to do the to do it from the video, but she took control of the microphone, so I wasn't able to. It just recorded the video. Alright, so now we launch our Alexa app, and the home screen. Now we go to devices, and at the top right hand corner, that plus button, you hit that plus button, and then you go down to add devices, add device, and you do a search. So now you do a search for GoSun, and here we're coming up, so we hit the GoSun switch, and you follow the instruction. So it tells you to download the GoSun app, and then set up the switch, and then return to the Alexa app, which we already did. So we just hit discover devices, and you're on your way. You are on your way. You follow the rest of the instruction, and we're good to go. Alright, so my switch is back together. It actually comes with, I use the same plate that was on the original switch. It actually came with its own plate, so that you don't have to see these screws, these screw holes, some snap-on plate. But I just use my old plate that was on the switch, and I have my glow in the dark sticker, and I like my switches glow in the dark. So that's it. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel. I have more videos over there, and I have more videos coming. So subscribe, please. Thank you.
Remember to like and subscribe.
And hit that notification bell.